Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook cheesy sausages potato bake. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We have cheese, another kind of cheese, and then salt, black pepper, potatoes, sausages, butter, white onions, tomatoes, bell pepper, garlic, soy sauce, and oyster. Add that one. And then potato garlic, the white onions, tomatoes, the sausages, salt, oyster sauce, guys. And then we're gonna, this one is enough guys because we're gonna still bake this one, so we're gonna sit aside first. Oh, change the pot. So okay, I'm gonna add the butter, and then the onions as well as the bell pepper, little soy sauce, black pepper, salt, let it cook first, simmer for how many minutes, and then we'll be right back. Okay guys, the potatoes are cooked, so we're gonna transfer this one. Assemble the potatoes and the sausages and put in the bake. We are going to bake this one, and first we're gonna assemble the sausages, potatoes, and the cheese. And besides the for the ingredients that I said earlier, we need also the cream of mushroom soup, and then 1/4 cup of milk. Okay, so first okay. And we're gonna add milk, 1/4 cup of milk lang. A little bit because it's 1/4 cup, so okay. Okay guys, na put the sausages first. I put butter in this pan. Okay, so we're gonna put the sausages. Okay, and then the potatoes. We're gonna mix it. And then we're gonna put this cheese first. Okay. And then guys, we're gonna add the sauce. Okay guys, this is super yummy. We're gonna mix it first. We're gonna add some more cheesy. It. And now the oven was preheated Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Okay. Okay guys, so that's it. Okay guys, look at that one. It's done. Our cheesy sausage potato bake. Okay, it's done. Our cheesy potato bake is done and it's very yummy. Taste na our cheesy sausage potato bake. Okay, I just taste a little guys because taste here. Ooh, I'm gonna get some spatula to use this one. The sausages, oh, it's super cheesy guys. Oh, the sausages and the potatoes. It's very cheesy. Okay. The potatoes. Oh, look at guys. It's very cheesy. Okay. So I'm going to taste just a little. Oh, it's super cheesy guys. Oh. Oh. It's still super hot. Okay. I'm gonna get the potatoes. First, the potatoes. I'm gonna taste the potatoes and the cheese. It's yummy. Oh, it's so very yummy. Yummy guys. And then the sausages. I broil for 10 minutes guys. That's why it came out like this. The cheese. It's yummy. Super yummy guys. Look at that one, no? It's super yummy and it's very hot guys. Okay. Okay guys. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and then personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.